How to change your name in Truecaller application. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Truecaller in your phone, and then you have to come to your image. So click on your image on the top right corner, and then after, don't go to anywhere else. Don't go to the setting. You haven't get anything in the setting. Directly click on complete your profile. Okay, so your agenda is to change your profile name, right? So just click on complete your profile. Okay, click on that. So once you click on that, you have an option, you have a multiple option to change your name in Truecaller. Okay, so this is your first name. You can write whatever you like, your last name, whatever. Your phone number is already signed. Your email address, your birth dates, your any location, any information what you want to change in this. And once you completed your you complete your name, let's say, let me change this one. So this name to Kabede, right? Okay, so I have changed already the last name, and then after you have to save, you have to click on save. Okay, so for me I don't need it, so .k. Okay, so once you did that, just click on save. So this is your profile name. Okay, so there is it.